Here's what we know about AI coding platforms. They started out building simple websites and toy projects, but that's no longer the case. The shift now is toward practical, production-grade AI that helps you build real SaaS platforms. Tools that aren't just functional but ready to generate actual income. And what's exciting is that platforms like this can be used by solopreneurs to launch and manage full systems without a development team. Yes. So how does this actually work? When you submit a request like build me a CRM, an AI development platform figures out the structure your app needs. It automatically sets up things like user accounts, login systems, and the database that stores your information. And all of this happens behind the scenes without you writing a single line of code. Specialized AI agents each focus on different parts. One designs the data structure, another handles security, and another builds the user interface. They all work simultaneously. They all stay in sync, so everything fits together smoothly. And by the time your preview link is ready, you've got a working app with a real database, a login system, sample data, and even an admin dashboard you can start using right away. So today there are tools that can help you create serious SaaS, a serious business, and we're going to build something together. Let's head over to DeepAgent and try to build something useful. In this video, I'll walk you through several examples built from just one prompt. CRMs, HR tools, marketplaces, and more. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive deep. I'm on DeepAgent and I'll start by typing in a single prompt.
Build a mini CRM tool for managing customer relationships. This CRM should include the following: contact management, add, edit, delete, and search for contacts functions. Fields include name, email, phone, company notes, tags, group contacts by company or tag, deal tracking functionality, create deals associated with contacts or companies.
So when I say a single prompt, I mean it, but it should be a long prompt that includes all the details. Now the agent is asking me to clarify a few things. Here's my answer: send. And DeepAgent is building. By the way, I have already shown you DeepAgent in my previous videos, and it's always fascinating to watch this task execution process and how tasks are structured and broken down into smaller subtasks. Database seeding has just completed, and we are moving to subtasks 40, 41, and 42. By the way, this is a lot of computing power if you think about the amount of work DeepAgent accomplishes in a relatively short amount of time. It's just astonishing. The Prisma schema was successfully written and layout and navigation components were generated. Two key commands were run: npx Prisma generate to create the Prisma client and npx Prisma db push to sync the schema with the database. These steps complete the initial database and front-end setup, and the agent is still working diligently to complete the process. And you can clearly see the app preview. It looks solid, like a real CRM, and it's finally ready. Let's deploy it and test it on a live URL. Shark CRM, deploy, and let's go over the CRM. Look, we have the dashboard, a section with contacts, tags, deal status, company details, and other sections that have been added as per my request. I can add deals in the deals section. I have my activity tracking in the activities field. This is a complete CRM system created from a single prompt. Now I want to show you something else. Now let's use another prompt. Add shared notes and granular permissions. The idea is to have a Notion style workplace within this CRM system, and the DeepAgent is enhancing my CRM, and the implementation is complete. The shared notes system and granular permissions functionality has been added to my CRM. Let's take a look. And you can see the note section added to the CRM. I'm going to click on create note. And here I have all the needed fields for my content piece. Here's my title, title 1, then content. I'm going to pick a deal option and create. The note has been added. Now that the CRM with additional notes functionality is ready, let's try something else. Let's build a marketplace, again, with a single prompt. This is my prompt, a bit long, but you need to include details for the agent if you want results. So basically, this prompt is asking for a marketplace website with separate experiences for buyers and sellers. It requests features like user role selection, product browsing for buyers, and listing management for sellers, all with login and messaging functionality. After about 10 minutes of waiting, the platform is finally ready. Let's deploy the marketplace. Deploy. And this is what it looks like. Let's create a profile. I'm a buyer. The login page is functional. This is what each individual product looks like. So yeah, I just built a marketplace. Now, what other SaaS system can we build? How about an HR portal with employee records and time off requests? Let me show you how easy you can do that with DeepAgent. This is my prompt, send. I'm providing additional info, send again. DeepAgent is working. The agent has completed several important steps. The schema was created and synced with Prisma. Authentication and API routes were added, and pages for login, dashboard, employees, and leave requests were written to complete the app's core functionality. More steps are yet to be completed, and I'm just waiting. The app was created, and we can see the preview. This is our employee directory system. I can see the board with all leave requests, status, approved, rejected, or pending. I can see the submission date and actions. There is sign up and login functionality in place. With just a few tweaks, this can be turned into a functional SaaS, all easy and built with a single prompt. I want to show you one final example, a social media app. With DeepAgent, you can build your own X or Facebook. Yes, a simple version of it, of course, but watch me. This is my prompt, built a simple social posting app, sent. I am providing additional feedback and bullet points, and the DeepAgent is working on this task. It is developing a social posting application with Next.js. By the way, I'm sharing ideas that are easy to visualize. DeepAgent is a tool, and you can use this tool for your own unique SaaS concepts. It's aimed at turning your dreams into a profit-making machine, so go ahead and give it a shot. This tool comes free with a $10 Chat LLM subscription, or you can pay $20 for the Pro plan. The social posting app has been fully scaffolded with authentication, post creation, likes, comments, user profiles, search, and settings features, along with backend API routes, UI components, database seeding, and the app is successfully built and launched in development mode. The app is ready, and I just deployed it. Now I'm going to sign up. The registration process is complete, and I can now post my very first post. Hello world, post. And the post is published. Lovely. Let's do it again. Another post. This is a perfect ending for my video. You saw it all with your own eyes. This is the power of AI, more specifically the power of DeepAgent. Full SaaS platforms can be built from scratch using nothing but detailed prompts. Whether it's a CRM, marketplace, HR tool, social app, or your own unique concept, the entire workflow from schema to deployment is handled entirely by AI. And this isn't just automation, it's a new way of building. So if you've got an idea, there is really nothing stopping you from turning it into a live working product. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, let me know in the comment section. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.